Hi guys, welcome back to Brad and Tracy kitchen. Guys, you know say gungo don't know guys. So you know say I'm going back to my red peas. So I have my red peas in the pot. You know me I got pressure it. So I have thyme, garlic and piece of ginger. Well, me I put in the scallion them guys. You don't know all the thing go. So guys, so far all like what one minute anybody a comments for nothing and tell me what them like or what them not like. Guys, they need to share, continue share. Guys, I'm thank all who share. I'm thank all of you who subscribe. So I want to continue same way. Share, like and subscribe. And guys, leave the comments because you don't know say Brad did I read the comments them guys. So when if you just leave the comments and tell him wanna like about the video, wanna like and so.
But from what they am not reading done.
Alright guys, then you confess and what they am not reading on. But we still look on them. We still look over them guys. So I just telling you go and share. Go and like up the video guys. See them add my scallion behind guys. So me I put it down. I will find the coconut are greater. Yes, so greater the coconut. I have my pork over here. And guys, we are going to do stew pork and the rice and peas today guys. So I put my sweet, I have my pepper, my garlic and a piece of ginger, because you know it's a piece of ginger after there. Stew pork, when you cook the stew pork, you cut it up in little size, because stew pork. My tomato, so I finish add my sweet pepper on it. And you know I'm telling you some is a pork lover. Any kind of pork, jerk, fry, curry, any kind of pork. I never eat it curry yet though guys. Many things I eat it curry. I love curry, but here I love curry. Chicken back.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love my curry chicken back alongside the pork. So you don't know. So there's a pork lover and a chicken back lover guys.
I love all party. I like mackerel and rice, blue beef and rice, stew peas, oxtail,
When I reach, I can't eat oxtail every day and I have to eat it once a year.
Yes, I make a mistake about say it's oxtail we eat. Like every time now it's not oxtail, it's mutton. I make a big mistake with two of them. So yeah, just like, share, comment, also subscribe and subscribe, hit the notification bell to see more of our videos.
You know what you love?
I don't know fish and kakase.
Alright guys, so done adding that. And palm stew pork, I'm going to cut up, dice up some Irish and carrot on it. So you don't know me, I go for my little famous seasoning. Yes guys, you know say not too much because it come, I don't add no salt or nothing in it because everything in it. See that? You know me, I get my famous shaker. When me shake it so guys, everything mix up without rub it in with my hand. See there? Just like that guys. 1, 2, 3 ready. So you know what I just make it go on marinate little. So me I cover it up guys and make it go on marinate. Rest it back in the fridge. And then I wait upon the coconut for done great as I tell you, for juice the coconut for putting on the piece. And you know so guys, it not take long because it's a 1, 2, 3 step this guys. Because you know so I pressure my piece. Because I need a long thing because you know so sometimes the peas them, the red peas them tough like me. So yeah, don't know it go. You catch my back, right here so. so the coconut I say it grated done already. So you know say I put on the kettle for make the juice come more quicker. You know, so sometimes we call it now everything a juice. So some guys will add some warm water. Some put on the kettle for warm and add the warm water and juice it out with the warm water, guys. So see me I juice it in a the peas here. Yes, guys. Down the peas. And guys, over here, so you'd have some chocolate, some grated with my little orange peeling and my cinnamon stick. I never have no more cinnamon, so I just the stick alone I'm fine. I'm gonna use some of the coconut juice in a it. Yes. You don't need that girl, I love chocolate tea. So any other tea, I love tall tea, I love coffee, and I love chocolate tea. Not black coffee with cream. I love chocolate tea. You can have 2 big cup of chocolate tea, guys. So I'm gonna add a little of the coconut juice in my chocolate tea. So, guys, when you catch my back, you know some pizza and then in the pressure and a pressure bowl. You keep about 10 minutes or 15 minutes. You pressure it. You know my chocolate tea already on the fire. So, just forward, back. Well, guys, see it there. Finished product, the chocolate tea. I sweeten it with little milk, guys. Yeah, and you know I put coconut juice in it, so I just sweeten it with little milk for tea.
So guys, I see my cup here.
And this is mine, guys. I'm gonna tell you to say, I love chocolate tea, so you have to cool it in, guys, because chocolate that thing like hot and look cool.
Yes, guys, and the peas upon the pot of pressure. So you know, so done.
You don't know me, I drink 2 cups of this, guys. Yes, I love chocolate tea. The only tea I drink any time of the day, anywhere. Yes, guys, see them? Chocolate tea.
So yeah, guys, this is mine, so I'll mash up this and come back to you.
Guys, see, hot. I'm not trying to hold it back because you know, say poke it a bit. I just try a little bit and make it go hot. Well, guys, I'm going to do the test and see if the oil hot, because you know I'm going to throw everything in the pot. Well, it's hot. The oil hot as you can see because it's fried. And when I tell you, I'm going to throw everything. Guys, as I'm sure you see the oil there.
Hot?
Yeah, the garlic fried out. So I'm going to throw everything in the pot, season and everything, because stew pork me a cook. You know, me have tried this stuff before.
Yes, you got the yum.
Yeah. Everything. There, guys. So, what my do go, as you can see, guys, me I gotta add the browning, not too much, browning, guys. Ready? Yes, guys. So you see me open up the middle, I gotta add the browning in the middle. And lock it back and make it cook come up. Not too much browning, guys, because I don't want my pork too black. Yeah, so I lock it back. That's it. And cover it. Left it there, one cook. Till it catch the color, I'm going to add when I add the water to it. So meantime, it will go and cook. I'm going to look at the Irish and the carrot for put on it, guys. So You don't know in a few, you see how that match up. And remember, some peas over here, so guys. Never show me. Yeah. Red peas over here, so I'm going to bag of things. I'm going to put my scotch bonnet pepper in there. So, yeah. Yeah, you know my favorite big cake. I think I eat. So you don't know what to go. Yeah, match up good.
You get the gold, but if you with the bronze.
Catch the browning how I want it, guys. Yep. Just so. So it don't want no more browning. Depends on how you want it. If you want it darker than that, you can add a browning. But if I have some coconut juice on my left, I'm going to add it to it go and cook. Okay, guys? So you know, so I add every seasoning in there. I add the coconut juice to it. So I make it go and cook down now. Yeah, right there, so. And when this done cook down, when it near for done cook, I add the Irish and the carrot in it. Yeah, look on the rice, if you can wash it going. Yeah. The rice can wash it now. And I put it in right now.
Yes, so my time of the day.
So you know, crave that's the time of the day for that.
Hey, I do not crave. I don't crave.
Guys, it's very craveful.
People, and you see them food where she share them guys, them they are local bit. None of them on the plate.
Well, that means that's it, guys.
No, none of them on the plate. None of them on the But none do they not plate. On a serious level, none do they not plate. But in that line, none of them on plate.
Just tell me that's it.
Guys, leave it in the comment section if some of them on the plate. None of them on the plate.
Guys, you ever seen plate yet?
I don't mean people don't see my plates.
The only time it me eat less, guys, a win time, a dumpling. You may eat one, depends on how hungry me is. You may eat a 2 or a 3. Yeah, guys. And I tell you,
Watch out now, come tell you now. You see, mackerel and dumpling can eat about 4. I go 5, yeah. But for anything else, one dumpling.
Guys, remember I tell you, watching plate pan rice. Those who watch pan rice, how it look. I tell you, mommy, I could have get the one more spoon, you know. Yes,
But none of these are for you. None of them that. And by don't look more when start edit, I get hungry. So that means I say, but none of them are that.
Alright guys, I don't watch the rice now. Come on for crave for Jackson. You don't know thing crave. You agree with me? Give me a like. And a thumbs up and a comment for me.
I subscribe to.
Alright.
No, but seriously.
Over here now guys.
On a big man level, you know.
Rice pots. So I'm gonna add the rice now guys. So me a strain off the water off, right? I don't want no water in there to see there. I'm already add my pepper, my green pepper. If I don't have a green one, a ripe one will do. Okay? Now must add a green one, but you don't know we Jamaica, you know we love our greens catching at the pot.
No, but on a big man living, I look a bit of food again.
The earring still the panic guys.
Yo, but seriously, look on the plate, then just look on mine when it reach at the end. Then and even see a picture with it there, on the left, on the right corner. You see, look a bit, guys. See there, right on the left is a look a bit. Yeah.
Guys, we don't talk.
Is
So now guys, now take my spoon for stir the rice and the peas and I to make them in a one guys. So see there. Stir it. I'm gonna cover lock it all together, lock it full. So see there guys, rice already in the pot. Stroop out the rice sauce cook up for done. So guys, when all of that done, you just start catch me back. Yeah, when me gonna show you how to put in the vegetable them in the stew pork. And if you don't want a little touch of taste, if you want a little salt or a little more seasoning or more pepper, you add it to your pot again. That are the finishing touch with little ketchup and so. Yeah guys. So you don't know, I'm telling you, watch the plate. Guys, I'm gonna do a live on my Facebook and make you see or behave when I full time. Nothing cut out, nothing edit, live.
But I'm here to edit it so you don't know so I'm gonna cut out that. Alright then. So guys, I don't know what food that look like. Share, comment and also subscribe. And you see, I next thing to forgot. I look a bit of meat me I get. I'll go up like say you know what I restaurant there where you go? You pay a crocus bag of money. I look a piece of meat I get. Yeah, but seriously, I look a piece of meat I give me.
Guys, I watch man.
Me no watch for don't do
I never say watch part.
Oh.
Watch man, Jamaica terms. For the people them, you know you have this one for food and no meat. And a piece of meat up on the top. Watch man them call it. So it a
me no watch
so the little piece of meat, they on the food as a watchman. They don't know so talking in Jamaican. Little piece of meat on this body of food, watchman.
Oh then guys, just catch back on chase I go do them someday. So
My Irish and carrot in it guys. It go and steam. And guys, you know this it's say I have like boiling water here so because it needs the water. Yeah, add it to it. Not enough, just a little. See there? So you know, anytime you see this back, you don't know the time of the day.
my time on the day.
You don't know a sharing time and I ask price. Yeah, you do something and I ask price. So catch me back when me I share.
That's the finished product. So guys, I'm done with food I would like. Share, comment and also subscribe. And when you subscribe, please hit that notification bell of me to work and more videos to me. Guys, bless up.